Hi everyone, it's Clyde here, and today's video is all about key differences between personal insurance and private health insurance. See, one of the questions I'm always asked is, why do I need personal insurance when I have private health insurance? And why do I need private health insurance when I have personal insurance? And when I talk about personal insurance, I'm talking about trauma cover, income protection, those types of policies. Now, I've got Tristan here from MyOwn, which is a private health insurance company, and I thought he'll be the perfect person to discuss the key differences between the two. So welcome, Tristan.
Thanks, Clyde.
Thank you very much for popping in. So, can you please tell everyone that's watching, why would I need personal insurance and private health insurance, and what's the key differences?
You're spot on that people need both because the services are quite complementary. And the biggest differentiation is going to be with private health insurance. It picks up bills from day one. So it's paying for things like the ambulance. It's paying for things like being admitted to hospital for the 3 or 4, how many days you're going to actually spend. It's picking up all those costs for you. Personal insurance helps pick up the larger costs of treatment as well as all the personal expenses that are happening outside in life whilst you're in hospital. Things like the mortgage repayments, things like kids' school fees. None of these things stop, and that's what you can use personal insurance for that private health insurance can't pick up.
Yeah, and that's really important to remember. I had a client who claimed on trauma cover, didn't have private health insurance. Trauma cover was able to obviously pay the lump sum to cover all the debt they've accumulated as a result of going to hospital. But if they had both, the lump sum that they would have received from the trauma payout would have helped immensely with taking time off work and recovering, covering everyday expenses and things like that. But instead, that had to go to paying off bills, which they accumulated because they didn't have that private health insurance cover that you're talking about. So I guess if you not many people have heard about MyOwn. It's a relatively new company in the market when it comes to the private health insurance space. So I guess, can you just tell everyone, why would someone decide to come to you guys? What are your key advantages? Being a relatively new company, are there any disadvantages? Why MyOwn versus all the other providers out there?
Yeah. So MyOwn is a new product in the private health insurance space, but AIA, the parent company, is quite well established in the personal insurance space. So there's no major worries there about us being a new company because we've got a great backing. In terms of why clients would look to MyOwn in the first place, what do we do that's a bit different is we've got a program called AIA Vitality. So this is a rewards program. It rewards you for knowing your health and then improving your health. So things like claiming on your health insurance to go see your dentist gets you points. Going to the optometrist, it's knowing your health, improving your health, you're getting points for that.
Wow.
All those points get accumulated, and then you get rewards in the form of vouchers, discounted Virgin flights, those sort of things. So it's a great rewards program that's in addition to all the usual private health insurance benefits that you come to expect.
Right.
Secondly, we will actually be able to refund the hospital excess for eligible clients. So that $500 or $750 you're paying as an excess for private health insurance, we can refund that to eligible clients. 3, we have a percentage-based system when it comes to extras and getting your money back. And that could be 50%, 60%, or 70% with any provider of your choosing. So you're not restricted to having to use a particular dentist, optometrist, or whoever it is. And you've got certainty around what you're going to get back.
Oh, fantastic. And that's key, a percentage-based rebate versus a dollar rebate. But I'm excited about the Vitality program purely because if you're it encourages you to actually be healthy, and encouraging you in terms with rewards such as discounts with Woolies and discounted flights and things like that, which is really which is great because I don't know any other private health insurance company that offers that as part of their program, encourages you to actually be healthy, which is really important. What's wealth if you don't have your health, right?
Yeah.
So, and then finally, I guess, Tristan, if clients haven't reviewed their health insurance in a long time, if they don't have health insurance and are considering getting some health insurance cover, what's the next step? What do you suggest them to do?
So I think it's always important to review your health insurance just to make sure it's still fit for purpose. So I'd say talk to your financial planner and they can put you in touch with us. And sort of the process that we undertake is having a discussion with you about what matters to you when it comes to health insurance.
Okay.
Based on that discussion, if we can either save you money or we can offer some additional value to you, we're able to offer a product. But if we can't do those things, we're going to advise you to stay where you currently are.
Yeah.
Because your product is still fit for purpose and we can't better your position.
Yeah, and that's really important to understand, that you'll never be forced to move into something if it doesn't, if you're not benefiting from that as a result of changing. And MyOwn will make sure that they'll compare apples with apples and making sure that what you currently have, if it's worthwhile changing, then they'll definitely recommend that. If not, then they'll tell you to stay where you are, because if you can't save, then why bother? Well, why change? Awesome. So thanks, Tristan. So if you have any questions, if you have any comments, if you like a meeting with the MyOwn guys, put your contact details in the comment section below and I'll be able to get in contact with you. These guys, I think the conversation is about half an hour, is that correct?
Yeah, about half an hour.
Half an hour of your time, just to make sure, just to review your private health insurance policies. If you haven't reviewed it, if you can save money, fantastic, that's important. And if you're thinking about getting some cover, private health insurance cover, as mentioned, some of the benefits using MyOwn versus other providers out there. So that's it for this week. And remember, I'm dedicated to helping you take actionable steps today for a better financial tomorrow. Thanks again, Tristan, for your time, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.